Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to enable the use occur DNS on your Google Chrome. I did it many times, and if you can see, I can just turn it on just like here. But if this is not working on your Google Chrome, I will show you exactly what you need to do. Alright, first of all, we click here and we search for Chrome policy. So please make sure that you use the double dot, the two slashes and then policy behind it so you can see this screen. Right now, if you do reload policies, you will see here somewhere something blue standing because that got blocked because the policies of Google Chrome. So what you need to do now is the next thing. You go here to your search bar and you search for registry editor. Click on yes, and then you will find exactly this. Now make sure that you remove this and then paste exactly this thing right here, and I will put this in the comment section of my video. And if you now click on enter, you will see some blue AB signs under here. Right now I only have the default, but if you have something more, make sure that you select it, delete it, and that only this default thing right here is standing here in this setting. Right now, if you close this and refresh this page, you will see that you can turn on this option, and this is exactly how you can fix this. I'm here to help you out, and if this still won't work or don't work, please let me know that in the comments so I can help you out maybe on a different way. But if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.